Keeping your clippers and trimmers clean doesn't have to be time-consuming. Today, we're showing you how the Pallure Automatic Brush Cleaner makes it easy to remove loose hair and keep your barber tools looking their best. Start by installing the softer bristle cleaning brush, designed specifically for clippers, trimmers, and other barber tools. Once it's in place, secure the cover and you're ready to get started. Turn on the machine and gently guide your clippers or trimmers against the rotating brush. As you move the tool across the bristles, loose hair and debris are quickly swept away, even from those hard-to-reach areas. For an extra level of cleanliness, activate the built-in disinfecting mist. The fine mist coats your tools, while the blue LED lets you know the sanitizing cycle is running. Everything is now clean and sanitized. No need for annoying extra tools. You can also use the machine to clean your neck trimmer, helping remove loose hair and buildup from the tool. Whether you're cleaning clippers between clients or maintaining your tools at the end of the day, the automatic brush cleaner helps make the process faster, easier, and more consistent. The results speak for themselves. It's clean all around. You can also clean and sanitize your neck trimmer using the built-in disinfecting mist. If you're ready to upgrade your barber station, check out the Pallure Automatic Brush Cleaner. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.